Hello. In this video, you'll see the delightful Debbie and myself clipping plants along trails, some of which we've made, but they seem to grow over and we've got to keep them open, otherwise they become overgrown. And I find this fairly ironic because in my own garden, I've made sure that it's got the least amount of work. I did not want to spend my old age clipping hedges, mowing lawns, and so I've made sure that I have an almost maintenance-free garden. And this was a deliberate decision because my parents, when I was young, forced us or persuaded us or paid us to, we were continually mowing and clipping lawns and weeding and doing all kinds of stuff. We were little slaves for our parents. We got some pocket money, true, and I'm sure we didn't even pay our way, but that was the way I was brought up. Our parents always found things for us to do. And if you ever dared say you were bored, well, then they would find a painting job. You'd end up painting the house or painting the roof, or it was continual maintenance. We had a pool that we had to continually clean and backwash and add chemical to. And I just didn't want to spend my old age doing that. So you can see, even in my house, I made sure that I had face brick inside and out so that I never have to paint. I really wanted a maintenance-free old age, and here I'm ending up clipping paths, public paths for people to use, and it's actually lovely. You get the exercise, and I'm quite used to clipping and things from my youth, but I haven't clipped for decades. So that is the irony of it. You know, we're going to learn from our parents. I learned from my parents. I did not want to end up like them. So many people copy their parents. I try to do the exact opposite. My dad was totally into meaningless, mindless mowing lawns and maintaining gardens and maintaining the house. I just wanted no part of that. So we learn from our parents. We learn not to be like them or to be like them. Whichever you learn, you still learn something. And I'm not saying they were lovely parents, but geez, I did not want to spend my old age, as I say, mindlessly mowing lawns and clipping and doing things. And yet we had a good time, the delightful Debbie and myself, cutting these paths. I don't mind doing it once a year or maybe twice a year. And we love to create these new paths, and they've got to be kept open so that the public can enjoy them. And so that is what we were doing in this video.